Welcome to the presentation on company Messrs Spectrum Stress and Piping Academy called SAP Academy, giving piping and stress training since 2008. Website spectrumstress.com and sapskills.com. Presentation purpose and goal. The purpose is to brief you the salient features and training courses provided at SAP Academy. The goal is to groom engineers with international level of training. About SAP Academy. We are Piping and Stress Training Academy focusing on training engineers by highly experienced trainer Mr. B.R. Thakur, who is mechanical engineer with more than 40 years of experience in design, in construction and handling trouble services at many companies like ThyssenKrupp India Limited, Mumbai, Projects and Development India Limited, Dar Al Riyadh and Parsons, IFCO Phulpur, Kellogg, Halder Topsoe, Snam Pragati, APG Mumbai, GNFC Bharuch, GSFC Baroda, Reliance Patal Ganga, TCL Babrala, TCE Mumbai and many others like Acknowledgement. Mr. Thakur has been certified by Uday India Limited for his competence in various fields like executing stress critical projects, training and development of engineers in piping design and stress analysis, resolving site problems related to piping stress and supports, expansion joints, vibrations. More details are at website.
Hello, I am B.R. Thakur. My wish to share my knowledge and experience to develop engineers has made me to start Spectrum Stress and Piping Academy. My desire to give highest level of training by me, we have developed training guidelines with unique features which are not seen at any other academy.
Features of SAP Academy. The 5 salient features which makes SAP Academy stand above others are quick and reliable free technical support. Quick and reliable free technical support is most difficult task for any academy. This we do at least for 2 years. Mr. Thakur himself gives such support by email or his mobile phone. Further meetings are held almost every Monday between 7 to 9 p.m. for resolving doubts. At any other academy, we have not seen such supports. Expertise of the trainer. Mr. Thakur is trainer as well as proprietor at SAP Academy. He has an all-round experience for more than 40 years, whereas trainers in other academy may have a limited design experience and no experience of handling plant troubles. Number of students in a classroom. At SAP Academy, this is limited to 15 only. This improves interaction, leading to high training quality. In other academies, students are between 30 to 50. After training placement assistance. Placement assistance becomes easy for SAP Academy since Mr. Thakur is already associated with many companies. However, we also take help of Messrs SAP Job Placement Services for further assistance. Scissor to hands-on practice. Scissor to hands-on practice is done by students for 5 to 7 days while solving many typical problems designed by SAP Academy. Training provided at SAP Academy. First training is piping layout design and material specification. It covers more than 45 topics as listed on website under following modules. Second training in Piping Flexibility Stress Analysis. It covers more than 73 topics as listed on website under following modules. Third, training in Dynamic Stress Analysis. It is very specialized course and is conducted on request. Fourth, training in ASME B31.3 Process Piping Code Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Fifth and last training is corporate training. These are conducted on request. During all this training, we provide valuable tips and notes, dictate important points and take regular tests. These features and other features like high experienced trainer, limited class strength and lifelong free technical support makes SAP Academy absolutely unique. For further details, please contact Mr. B.R. Thakur, mobile number 09820351373 or email ID brthakur@gmail.com.